So today we're installing whips in a Honda Talon, and what I did was ripped out the whole center console, took off the tops here, just to make everything accessible. Your battery is in the back left corner, so depending on where you're going to put things and what you're going to do, you might not need to take this much apart. But I did rock lights as well, so I had to go front to back and centralize my fuse box, power, ground wiring, etc. So get that apart, pop off all the covers there, get there, and then you're gonna want to come through the backside there, around, and then you can pop this out to make it easier to make that turn. And then you got a hole there, come through, and then you can come up right in between there and zip tie up your wire and you're done. I mean, it's pretty simple.